Hey there, want to win a $100 Best Buy coupon? Well, you're in the right place. In every video, a 6-digit code will pop up clearly on screen. It could be anywhere, so watch the whole video carefully. Once you spot the code, click the link in the pinned comment and enter your name, phone, email, and the code. One lucky winner from each video gets $100 and winners are announced on the website every Monday. Don't blink, your next $100 could show up any second. Hey everyone, it's Mark here, and today we're diving into the world of super-sized TVs with the LG 86-inch class UQ75 Series 4K TV. This isn't just any big screen, it's a feature-packed display that aims to bring the movie theater experience right into your home. But the big question is, with a price tag of $849.99, is it actually worth it? We're gonna break down everything, the good, the bad, and the just plain huge, to see if this TV is worth your hard-earned money. And let me tell you, this TV has been getting a lot of buzz online. I'm seeing a solid 4.7 out of 5 stars with over 1,279 reviews, which definitely caught my eye. That's a lot of opinions, so we're gonna see if it lives up to the hype. So sit back, grab your popcorn, and let's dive into the details of the LG 86-inch class UQ75 Series LED 4K UHD Smart webOS TV, model number 86 UQ7590 PUD. Hey there! Let's dive into what really counts with a TV this big, the picture quality. And let me tell you, LG nailed it. Straight out of the box, the 4K UHD resolution is absolutely stunning. We're talking crisp details, vibrant colors, and deep blacks that make everything look amazing. Whether you're watching movies, binging shows, or gaming, this display gives you an immersive experience that's hard to beat, especially for the price. But it's not just about the resolution. LG's color science is spot on, and this TV is no exception. The colors are rich and accurate without being too saturated. Skin tones look natural, landscapes are vibrant, and even in dark scenes, you get plenty of detail without things getting muddy. And speaking of dark scenes, the local dimming on this TV is surprisingly good for an edge-lit panel. It's not quite as good as a full-array local dimming system, but it does a decent job of dimming the backlight in darker areas, which helps improve the contrast ratio and overall black levels. Now, beyond just the panel quality, LG has packed in a bunch of picture enhancement features. You've got your usual suspects like HDR support, motion smoothing, and noise reduction, all of which work well without any noticeable artifacts. But one feature I really love is LG's Filmmaker mode. Now, I know some people think these purist modes are a gimmick, but I actually find them super useful, especially for watching movies. Basically, it turns off all the extra processing and motion interpolation, giving you a picture that's closer to what the director intended. And it's not just about the picture quality. LG's webOS smart platform deserves a shout out here. It's one of the most intuitive and responsive smart TV interfaces out there. Navigating through menus is a breeze, and the app selection is top-notch. You've got all the major streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more, all pre-installed and ready to go. Plus, the included Magic Remote is a game-changer. It's got this cool little cursor that lets you point and click your way around the interface, making it super easy to use, even for those who aren't familiar with smart TVs. Alright, we've talked about the awesome stuff, but no tech review is complete without mentioning a few quirks. With the LG 86-inch UQ75 series, the one thing that might not impress you is the sound quality. Now, don't get me wrong, the built-in speakers aren't bad. They work fine for casual watching, but they lack the oomph and clarity you'd expect from a TV this big and fancy. The main issue is that the speakers are downward firing, which can make the sound a bit muffled, especially if you have the TV wall-mounted. The bass is also a bit lacking, so you won't get that deep, cinematic feel for action movies or bass-heavy music. Now, I know what you're thinking. MKBHD always talks about TV speakers. And you're right, I do. But that's because sound is such a big part of the home theater experience, and it's often overlooked by manufacturers. The good news is that this is an easy fix. If you're serious about sound quality, I highly recommend getting a soundbar or surround sound system. It'll make a huge difference, especially for a TV this size. But even without extra speakers, the LG UQ75 series still gives you a decent audio experience for everyday watching. The dialogue is clear, the volume gets plenty loud, and there's no noticeable distortion, even at higher volumes. So, while the built-in speakers might not blow you away, they're definitely not a deal breaker. And considering the amazing value this TV offers in other areas, it's a trade-off I'm happy to make. Hey there, let's chat about one of the coolest features of this TV, the 4K UHD resolution. I know 4K has been around for a bit, but it's still super impressive, especially on a screen this big. We're talking about 4 times the resolution of standard HD, which means a crazy amount of detail. Think of it this way. Imagine taking a single pixel from your old HD TV and splitting it into 4 smaller pixels. That's basically what 4K does. And when you have millions of those tiny pixels working together, you get an incredibly sharp and lifelike image. But it's not just about the numbers. The real magic of 4K is how it pulls you into the action. With so much detail, you'll notice things you've never seen before. The texture of a character's skin, the individual blades of grass on a golf course, the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings. And the best part? 4K content is becoming more and more common. Streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus all have a growing library of 4K movies and shows. Even YouTube is packed with 4K videos these days. So, whether you're a movie lover, a sports fan, or just someone who loves stunning visuals, the LG UQ75 Series 4K resolution is sure to wow you. It's a game changer that makes watching TV an amazing experience. Alright, let's dive into the heart of this TV, LG's webOS Smart Platform. This is where the LG UQ75 Series really stands out, giving you a smooth and user-friendly smart TV experience that can compete with the best streaming devices out there. One of the best things about webOS is how simple it is to use. The interface is clean, uncluttered, and super easy to navigate. You won't get lost in a sea of menus or have trouble finding the app you want. And when it comes to apps, webOS has you covered with all the big names like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, YouTube, and so many more. Whether you're in the mood for movies, TV shows, documentaries, live sports, or just some casual YouTube browsing, it's all here. But webOS isn't just about apps. It also lets you customize your viewing experience to make it truly yours. You can set up custom profiles for everyone in the family, save your favorite channels, and even control your smart home devices right from the TV. And let's not forget the magic remote. This remote is a game changer, especially for navigating the webOS interface. It has a cool little cursor that lets you point and click around the screen, making it super easy to use. Plus, it has dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, so you can jump right into your favorite shows with just one click. Hey there, let's talk about the big thing in the room, or should I say the giant TV in the room. 86 inches. That's not just big, it's absolutely massive. It's the kind of size that makes you rethink your living room layout and measure your walls twice just to be sure. But trust me, once you experience the immersive glory of an 86-inch display, there's no going back. It's like having your own personal movie theater right in your living room. Movies become epic events. Sporting events feel like you're right there in the stadium, and even casual gaming sessions are taken to a whole new level. But it's not just about the sheer size. The 16:9 aspect ratio of the LG UQ75 series is perfect for cinematic viewing, providing a truly immersive experience without any black bars at the top and bottom of the screen. And despite its massive size, the LG UQ75 series manages to maintain a surprisingly slim profile. It won't dominate your living room like some bulky behemoth. Its sleek, modern design blends seamlessly into any decor, whether you choose to wall mount it or place it on a stand. Of course, with a TV this size, you'll want to make sure you have enough space to accommodate it. LG recommends a viewing distance of at least 10 feet for optimal enjoyment. But trust me, once you're immersed in the action, you won't even notice the distance. So, there you have it. The LG 86-inch class UQ75 series LED 4K UHD Smart webOS TV. It's a TV that doesn't hold back on size or features, giving you an awesome viewing experience that's hard to beat, especially at this price. For just $849.99, you're getting a massive 86-inch 4K display with stunning picture quality, a super easy-to-use smart TV interface, and a sleek design that will make any living room look great. While the sound quality might not blow you away, it's an easy fix with a dedicated sound system. Overall, the LG 86-inch UQ75 series, Model number 86 UQ7590 PUD is an amazing deal for anyone wanting a truly immersive home theater experience. If you're looking for a new TV, and size is a big deal for you, this one should definitely be on your list. As always, thanks for watching.